Frugal is smart. Cheap can cost you. There's a difference between cutting waste and cutting corners that hurt you in the long run. Saving money is powerful until it starts stealing from your health, your time, and your peace of mind. So if you've ever wondered, is this really worth the money? This one's for you. In this video, I'm breaking down things that are absolutely worth the money, even if you're on a tight budget. Welcome back to centSense. Let's jump in. You spend a third of your life sleeping. So why are you doing it on a $90 springboard? A good mattress isn't a luxury. It's healthcare. Better sleep means better decisions, better mood, and fewer back problems. You'll feel the ROI every single morning. Now let's talk about shoes. Your feet carry you through life, literally. Cheap shoes can wreck your knees, your spine, and even land you in physical therapy. Been there, limped through that. Buy once, cry once. Your future self will thank you. And let's be real, cheap food is expensive in the long run. You can pay the farmer now, or the doctor later. I'm not saying go full organic everything, but investing in real, nutritious food gives you energy, mental clarity, and better long-term health. Your body is the most valuable asset you'll ever own. Treat it like it. Speaking of long-term, let's talk cars. A flashy car might look good, but a reliable car saves you stress and money. You don't need new. You need dependable. A solid used car, backed by research, will quietly be one of the best financial decisions you ever make. Next up, tools. Whether you're fixing a leaky faucet or building a side hustle, having the right tools makes a massive difference. They save time, reduce mistakes, and often help you make money. It's not an expense. It's an investment in efficiency and results. And here's something that compounds over time: self-investment. Books, course, skills. The more you learn, the more you earn. But beyond that, it's about building discipline, confidence, and momentum. Every new skill makes you more valuable and more adaptable in a changing world. Now, this one's underrated: your environment. If spending a little more gets you a safer, more peaceful neighborhood, do it. That peace of mind? That's priceless. A calm, secure home isn't just safer, it's more productive. It gives your brain space to think and grow. Listen, being frugal means spending with purpose, not skipping everything that matters. These are smart, high ROI purchases that pay you back in health, safety, and peace of mind. Drop a comment if you've ever cheaped out on something and totally regretted it. We've all been there. Give a like if this helped you rethink a few spending habits. Cheap can cost you. There's a difference between cutting waste and cutting corners that hurt you in the long run. Saving money is powerful until it starts stealing from your health, your time, and your peace of mind.